On February 26, 2025, Regent Craft, a U.S.-based aerospace company, signed a preliminary agreement with the Strategic Development Fund, SDF, of the United Arab Emirates, UAE, to establish a joint venture for manufacturing and servicing all-electric Seagliders. The partnership aims to create a production and maintenance hub in Abu Dhabi, catering to the Middle East, Africa, and other global markets. The agreement is subject to regulatory approvals and closing conditions, but once finalized, the joint venture will not only focus on producing the Viceroy Seaglider but also provide comprehensive maintenance, repair, and overhaul (MRO) services to sustain Seaglider operations in the region. Regent Craft has previously secured agreements with the U.S. Marine Corps and Lockheed Martin Ventures to explore the military potential of its Viceroy Seaglider. The Marine Corps Warfighting Lab, MCWL, signed a $4.75 million contract to evaluate the Seaglider's capability in 3 operational modes, hull-borne, foil-borne, and wing-borne, for defense logistics applications. The agreement also includes a live demonstration in a U.S. military exercise. Additionally, Regent is collaborating with the Naval War College Foundation to study potential Seaglider applications for defense missions. The company is also working with Lloyd's Register and the UAE Marine Transport Affairs Department to develop maritime certification pathways, ensuring compliance with military and commercial regulations. The Viceroy Seaglider will be produced both in the UAE and at Regent Craft's 23,690 square meter manufacturing facility at Quonset Business Park, Rhode Island, USA, which is set to become operational in 2026. Key functions of the Rhode Island facility: component manufacturing, producing structural and propulsion components for Seagliders; final assembly, integrating avionics, power systems, and mission-specific payloads; pre-delivery testing, conducting performance and safety evaluations before customer deliveries. The facility is designed for large-scale production of the Viceroy Seaglider and future next-generation models. It is also expected to create over 300 jobs within a decade, serving as the primary manufacturing hub until UAE-based production capabilities are expanded. The Viceroy Seaglider is a dual-use electric aircraft designed for high-speed maritime operations without requiring traditional runways. It incorporates wing and ground effect (WIG) technology, allowing it to fly just above the water's surface to maximize efficiency and reduce radar and infrared signatures. Key specifications: dimensions: length 16.8 meters, height 5.5 meters, wingspan 19.8 meters, capacity: crew 2, passengers 12, cargo bay. Cabin size, 7.9 m, L, times 1.8 m, H, times 1.7 m, W. Cargo door, 1.45 m times 1.64 m. Weight and payload. Maximum takeoff weight, 6,985 kilograms. Useful load. Passenger configuration, 1,360 kilograms. Cargo configuration, 1,588 kilograms. Performance. Cruising speed, 290 kilometers per hour, 156 knots. Maximum speed, 296 kilometers per hour, 160 knots. Range, 290 kilometers, 156 nautical miles, with end-of-life batteries. Propulsion, 120 kilowatts electric motors, manufacturer undisclosed. Noise level, 59 dBA at 100 meters. The Viceroy's design enables runway-independent operations, making it ideal for military, commercial, and emergency response applications. The use of electric propulsion enhances its stealth capabilities, while the modular mission system allows for easy integration of sensors, weapons, and data links. The Viceroy Seaglider offers strategic advantages for military forces operating in contested maritime environments. Its combination of high speed, stealth, and operational flexibility makes it an ideal platform for expeditionary logistics, special operations, and intelligence missions. Key military applications: expeditionary logistics and maritime supply chain security. Rapid deployment of troops and supplies to forward bases. Ability to navigate through denied zones and adverse weather conditions. Reduced exposure to radar detection by staying within one wingspan of the water's surface. Intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, ISR. Low radar and infrared signature minimizes detectability. Modular system allows sensor and communication equipment integration for real-time battlefield awareness. Supports autonomous drone operations to expand ISR capabilities. Special operations and covert missions. Stealthy infiltration/exfiltration of special forces in high-threat environments. Runway independence enables operations from remote maritime locations. External hardpoints and internal mission bay allow adaptation for specialized military payloads. Can operate below line-of-sight radar and above sonar detection, enhancing operational security. With the UAE and Regent Craft partnership, the Viceroy Seaglider is set to become a key asset for both military and commercial sectors. The joint venture in Abu Dhabi will strengthen the Middle East's advanced manufacturing capabilities, while the Rhode Island facility ensures continued production for North America and allied nations. The successful integration of the Viceroy Seaglider into global military and commercial fleets could mark a new era in high-speed maritime transport, providing a revolutionary alternative to traditional aircraft and waterborne vessels. As Regent continues to develop and certify Seaglider technologies, the Viceroy's role in defense, logistics, and security operations will likely expand, solidifying its position as a cutting-edge solution for rapid and stealthy maritime mobility. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video. Take care and stay awesome.